Hello, I'm Don Singletary, and you found Affordable Trading. Now, if you're a beginner and haven't traded futures contracts before, a lot of the rules are different in stock and option trading, so we'll get down to that and offer some tips on trading today. Here we go. Of the main four Micro E-minis, this one, the NASDAQ100 Micro E-mini, is by far the most popular. And it's because the stocks in the NASDAQ100 are all tech stocks, no financials, and most of the names of those stocks are household names already. We'll be trading at $2 a point in these 1/10 size, smaller, affordable contracts. When I started the channel 5 years ago, I chose Tasty Trade because it has everything I need to trade on one page. The brain loves to learn when things are simple and easy and consistent. So if you subscribe to the channel, there's over 175 trading videos here, and every single one of them use this very same setup. I've got the 5-minute candlesticks. I use the MACD for my trade signal indicator. And best of all, over in the blue frame on the left is the bracket OCO. Put in the entry price, your stop loss price, at how much you want to risk on the trade, maximum risk, and then the close at a profit, which is also known as the target price. One of the nice things about the bracket OCO order in Tasty Trade, it has an automatic calculator in there. So you put in the point value, it computes the dollar amount for you. A lot of people like free stuff. I know I do. If you're new to the channel, check the text in the description below this video. Here's a short quiz for you. What happened to me on July 11th lasted 4 minutes and was a whole lot of fun. The answer is, of course, I'm talking about today's featured trade. July 11th, 2024. Now, this is a pretty classic setup. Here's the game on this trade. I'm putting an arrow on the candlesticks right now. I'm going to show you from 9 o'clock in the morning all the way down till just 4 minutes before 11 o'clock at 10:56 Eastern Time. I'm going to enter this trade, and I'm going to short a contract. Now, all the candlesticks and the trade signal indicators, like the MACD, are rather like a weather report, and they're always right until they're not. Now, if you're a subscriber on the channel, I appreciate you, and you deserve the truth. I cannot tell you a way to turn $100 into $8,000 in a month. You've seen those ads, I know. Anyway, there's no free lunch, so you got to do the work, and it's kind of fun. Today's featured trade is going to be interesting. I want to zoom in and take a closer look at these candlesticks and show you some of the fine points that your eyes eventually, not for beginners, but after you get some experience, your eyes get smarter. You see things that you didn't see before. Let me show you what I mean. We talked a moment ago about how the downtrend's been since 9 o'clock up till almost 11 o'clock. Well, look at the blue arrows, horizontal arrows on the screen there. You can see the prices are kind of stair-stepping down. They pause and then it goes down more. And that's a very common pattern you find. Now, does that mean I'm guaranteed prices are going to continue to go down? Absolutely not. But the propensity here is that it's more likely to go down than up. So I'm going to short a contract. I'm always saying this, but it's true. Until we get a time machine, at least, there's no way we can tell what the future is going to be. We just have to make a decision before we have all the facts. Not everybody's cut out for this kind of trading because a lot of people cannot make a decision until they have all the facts, and they're going to have a hard time with this kind of trading. As you're going to see in a moment when this trade is finished, and it's going to be fairly quick, we're going to make a significant amount of money in 4 minutes, and you can't put yourself in the position to be able to have that opportunity without being willing to take a risk. I'll go back and take a look now. One more thing before I pull the trigger on this trade. I want to talk for a moment about the MACD and the pattern you see in the bottom portion of the screen there. Oh, by the way, one thing. You remember I showed you how the market's been going down since 9 a.m. all the way up until 4 minutes until 11 o'clock, which is where I'm going to pull the trigger on this trade. So the obvious question is, why didn't I trade earlier if it's been going down for 2 hours? Well, I wasn't there. Contrary to what some people may believe, I don't spend all day on the screen. It would drive me crazy, but I do love to trade when I see an opportunity. The number one mistake for beginners is overtrading. It gets very expensive. On the MACD now, we're looking at that. The red and green line below the zero line, and the green line is below the red line. So no doubt we have a propensity here for the market to turn down. But let's talk about the velocity of the trend. See where I've written very negative there? I pulled the numbers out because I'm not sure you can see them on your screen. Minus 52 and minus 65. Beginners won't know this yet, but that's very negative. That is a factor that gives me more confidence to take this trade. Again, it's not something that's a guarantee, but you learn to see new things with experience. Everybody's different, but for me, I'm not in a trade 95 to 98% of the time that I'm watching the screen. Getting bored and trying to launch your kite when there's no wind is very expensive. That's it. Trade selection's over. Now, whatever happens now when I hit the send button, I have no control over how much money I may or may not make. All I can do is very aggressively guard the money in my account, and you'll watch as I do that. I've got a $20 stop on this trade. I'm going to short one contract at about $20,650. Now, the secret weapon on this trade isn't a secret at all. I'm risking $21. That's 10.5 points there. Get my tasty trade mouse. And on the left mouse button, I hold it down and drag that box down so I can protect my profits that I already have in this trade. It's not much. I just locked in $5.50, but voila, what really happened just then? There's no more risk on the trade, not even 1 penny, because I used my stop loss aggressively. Now I'm having the tasty trade mouse drag it down one more time. The trade's unfolding pretty fast here. I locked in $31 at $26.34. And yet again, just a moment later, the trade's amazing. It's just going my way. Sometimes you get lucky. Now, when you do get lucky, you have to know, what do I do next? Well, I keep doing the same thing over and over again. I got my tasty trade mouse. I get that left mouse button and keep pulling that stop down as long as I can. Already, I'm a couple of minutes into the trade, about halfway here, and I'm up $44.50. If I get stopped out right now, I wouldn't care. Making $22 a minute isn't shabby. I'll take that. Now, if you're a beginner, it's going to take some practice before you have clarity and the fast action that you've seen during this trade, but you can do it. It's like the old swimming lesson. Sooner or later, you practice on the simulation trade first, but sooner or later, you got to jump in the deep end and get the rewards. Now, for you beginners, I want to point out what I just said may be the most important thing in this video. I'm doing the same thing over and over. You know what that means. You're going to be able to learn it. When you realize you can learn a thing, that's great motivation to put in the work to be able to learn how to do it. Two very important things. Trade selection above everything, the most important thing. Step number 2, the second most important thing, is knowing that I would not move my stop loss. And the maximum I could lose on this trade was $21, no matter what happens. Now, you're going to lose about 40% of your trades, so you have to develop that discipline. Now, trade selection takes even more discipline than not moving your stop order. When there's no wind, a sailor in the sailboat will still keep those sails hoisted and ready to go, preparation, so when the opportunity does come along, they're ready. You've seen me talk about it in many videos. The best win rate you're going to get over the long haul is about 6 out of 10. That means you're going to lose about 40% of your trades. Get ready for it. To stay motivated to learn this type of trading, you have to have very realistic expectations. And you see by the methodology I've used, it wasn't far from the highest mountaintop to the lowest valley. It was only $21. Worst case scenario. Okay, here we go. I get to go count the money now. $81 in about 4 minutes on this trade. Watch as I get stopped out here. And remember, the only perfect trade is the one that leaves you with more money in your account than when you first started. The rest really doesn't matter. Now, my initial margin requirement on this trade was about $540, and I made an $81 return. That's an amazing 15% return on that BP effect amount in only 4 minutes. That's crazy good. Of course it is. A regular bank passbook savings account right now is paying a little under 5%. So you'd have to keep that $540 in the bank for over 3 years to make an $81 profit. This type of trading is far too risky to risk all your money in this kind of high-risk investment, but you can take some money that you have on the side that you can afford to place in a higher-risk trading category and try to have a little fun with that. This is really a great, fun way to trade. I need your help with something. Hit the like button if you want to see more videos on the channel here, like the one you've seen today. That helps me. I tally those, and it helps me to decide what content to include in the programming here on the channel. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Over 25,000 people have used my book to help to learn to trade the Micro E-minis. Kind of speeds up the learning process by showing you what's important and what isn't, and it saves you a lot of time and money. That was a really fun trade today. Be sure and subscribe so you will get notified when we put new videos up on the channel. I'm Don Singletary. I hope every day is a payday for you. And thank you.